have quantity. Now I'm here in AutoCAD, and you can see we have columns over here, and these are C1, and in our plan all of these columns are C1. If in your case you have C1, C2, C3, C4, you can find them separately. It is important, but process is same. If you can find out C1, same process will be repeated in C2, C3, C4. Dimension could be different, but process is same. Important to understand the process. Now this is C1 over here. How many C1 we have? As we have 13 of the foundation, I think those. So 13 C1 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have 13 C1. In order to find out the formwork, what we need parameter and the height. Parameter we can find out from here, or we can go simply here in the cross section. We can find the parameter over here, because this is 225 by 225. So parameter will be what? We have 225, 225, 225 and 225. 4 225. So 225 multiplied by 4. It is total of 900 mm. Parameter is 900. Now important here is to find out the total height of the formwork. And remember one thing, height we can measure right from this position up till here, but not up till the bottom of slab. We have top beam as well. You can see in this plan we have top beam plan as well. Let's go here in the section to find out, right? So this is basically section at A. Yes, section at A. Let me go and check where is A. At this position we have section, and here we can clearly see what will be the height. You can see over here, this is our slab on grade, this is the level, and for column we will start right from this position in superstructure, and it will go up till bottom of our top beam. So what we will do in height, we will take the height right from this position up till this position, then we will go for the top beam. Remember this is important. You need to find out the total height up till bottom of this top beam. You need to find out the height of the formwork up till bottom of top beam. So what will be the total height? Height is mentioned over here. It is 2775 millimeter, 2.775 meter. So this is the height we need to take over here. Hope you understand how it's really work. Remember one thing, again I'll go here in the cross section, and it is mentioned over here we have top slab over here, slab, and you can find out the total value from here as well. So this is basically the process, and right from this position up till this position we have the total value as 3000 up to this position. H by 6 is 500, H by 6 is 500 over here, and 2000 over here. So it is total of what? 3000. You can see the total height over here as well. I think 3000 millimeter. Yes, from the grade beam top up till bottom of slab is 3000. All we need to do is we need to deduct the depth of our beam, top beam. Top beam is over here, and what about the depth? Depth is 225. So if you can deduct it, 3000 minus 225, so it is 2775 millimeter. Remember, 2.775 meter. So this is basically the height we need to take over here. Now again let me go here, and hope you understand. We have find out the parameter over here for this. That was what? 900. 225 multiplied by 4, we have 900. So let me go here in Excel, and we need to first find out the formwork. So I'll go here, formwork for grade beam. It is okay. Move or copy, and then move to and create copy. Press OK. Rename this one. Formwork for columns in superstructure, and then next to it formwork for columns in superstructure. Delete all of this stuff from here. All of this stuff, we do not need this one. So it is easy. Number 1, column in superstructure, and it is C1, and next to it what we need to do is we need to give here what? The total parameter, the total external length. Number, how many columns we have? We have total of 13C1. And then what is the total length? 0.9 meter. We have find out the parameter over here, 900 millimeter, mean 0.9 meter. And what about the height? 2.775. We have find out it over here. From the slab on grade or grade beam top up till bottom of our top beam is total of 2.775 meter. We have checked it already, so I'm not going to over there. So this is the total height, and in order to find out the total, it is equal to numbers multiplied by parameter multiplied by height. Hit enter. So this is the total formwork we required over here. At the bottom you can see, you can delete some of the rows over here. We do not need these rows like this, and I'll delete these as well. So this is the total 32.47 meter square of formwork we required over here in C1 in superstructure. Now if in your case you have C2 as well, all you need to do is you need to put here C2, go and find out the parameter. First of all, go and find out number of C2. Let's suppose you have 10 C2, and a parameter is you have some around 0.75. It could be any, I am just giving the example over here, and height is 2.775, and you can find out the total value over here. So this is how, if you have different columns, so you can find out like this. Let me delete this one. This is just an example. So this is how we can find out a formwork quantity in columns in superstructure.